Struggle with clogged pores and dull skin? This is the only device I trust for real results at home.
In the shower just because I like the humidity. This is Alan's Deep Pore Cleansing and Sculpting. I call it a wand, but I know it's a device, and it is the best thing ever because when you wash your face and you use your hands, you're not really getting down. So this does a perfect
and
way.
actually logistic too.
Yeah,
So, like,
it's amazing.
I have like 3 buttons, and then you just press the middle one, and goes with this little vibration. And
Yeah. First layer of the environment with the oil-based cleanser.
So then you can literally put your cleanser,
which is so helpful. And then after that, I do the cleansing part of it. And I do the same thing, but what's important that Alan taught me is your skin has muscle memory. And you want to follow the way the face shape is supposed to be. The water-based cleanser.
and you're gonna go through
Follow the direction of the muscles on the face. And then the best part, my favorite thing about this whole device, I'll do this one, is look, see how it's warm? It is a warm compress, and it's really good to just kind of drain it out the base really well, and I just feel so good and comfortable. And then this is the cold one that goes, and it cools and reduces the puffiness in the morning. Because that is one thing I think everyone, when you wake up, you look a little tired. This helps it get right away because you have the cold compress here that allows for the skin to kind of relax. And then I ice out my face at night as well.
always split your face in two in a V shape, and then you're gonna follow the muscles. And I am just letting this device do the job. Understand? We did the forehead, and we're gonna do his nose. The nose only has cartilage, so we can really go up and down.
A Miami staple.
So right here, we're gonna do from inside out. And here I do the same. So this is the point that I say this device helps a lot, because logistically, you're not an octopus to try to do this move. Consistency and commitment is what take you to the next level of your skin. The intention here is just to let this device do the job for you. You do not put any pressure. This is like just a little vibration in your pores, and this will stimulate your muscles. When I stimulate the muscles, I am stimulating as well your collagen and your elastin production. And I am making sure that your lymphatic system is being flushed. So it's a lot to like here. And the side effect is that your jawline is going to be snatched.
Snatch.
Alon Deep Pore Cleanse device clears buildup, solves inflammation, and supports lymphatic drainage with hot compress and cold compress, with red LED light and blue LED light. It resets your skin without stripping the barrier. Ready to reset your skin? Bring home the Alon Deep Pore Cleanse device and make every cleanse count.
So it's the best device you can have. I love it so much.